If you want to view the ElevenLabs terms, I'll show you the quickest way to do it step by step. This is a simple but useful process if you want to understand the platform rules, privacy information, or terms before continuing to use the service. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Now let's get into it. First, go to ElevenLabs and make sure you are signed into your account. Once you are on the dashboard, look at the top right corner of the screen and click your profile picture. This will open a drop-down menu with several account options. From that menu, look for the option labeled Terms and Privacy. Hover over it so you can see the available choices. When the submenu appears, click Terms. Terms. This will take you directly to the ElevenLabs terms page where you can read the full terms of service. Once the page opens, take your time to review the information carefully. If you only needed to find the terms, that's all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can access the official terms page anytime you need it. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.